Funny enough, growing up, so my grandfather on my mother's side, he was from Kentucky. And I remember him telling me that he got pulled out of school as a third grader to work on the tobacco farm. His family were all farmers, and that's what they did. And he never went back to school. And so growing up, he would always kind of emphasize to me and talk about how he wished he could have finished and how I should finish and go as far as I can in terms of education. And I would say he kind of inspired me with his story, and his lack of education inspired me to want to get into education initially so that those students that may have similar struggles and challenges, that I could be someone that could help them, accomplish their goals and dreams. I would say listen more than you speak. I think from a principal leadership standpoint, I think it's important to recognize that you don't have to have all the answers. You have people in your building with expertise and knowledge and experience that you can tap into. That factors into teaching as well, where you understand all your students have different abilities and backgrounds and things like that. And so appreciate those, use those as an asset to build background knowledge and to be really explicit about your expectations, and make sure there's no ambiguity in terms of what you're wanting the students to learn, and then provide the support necessary for them to do that. But we need great teachers, we need good people, and do not let all the other noise that's out there prevent you from jumping in and doing something great.